There is a moment just before you speak a rune aloud when this air seems to wait with you. That pause, that stillness is sacred. It's in that stillness that the runes truly awaken. They are not relics of the past. They are living energies. Currents that run through the roots, mountain stone, the flowing water. You don't learn them as much as you remember them. Out here, away from the walls and wires, the noise of life begins to thin. You start hearing the world as it really sounds. Wind against the bark, distant birds, the low hum of the earth. Each of these is a voice of the runes. Far speaks of the warmth of sunlight that stirs life awake. Ur rises through the solid, steady weight of the ground. And THORN crackles in the sharp wind that keeps the sacred intact. Every element whispers a teaching. If you let yourself be quiet long enough to receive it. If you live in the city, you might think this isn't for you. But solitude isn't about escaping the world, it's about finding the still place within. Even a tree growing between concrete slabs can hold the same mystery as a forest. Even the rain on your window carries a song of love and hagel. So take time to step outside and breathe. Let the sounds of the world wash through you until the mind softens. This is where rune work really becomes real. When the intellect gives way to the experience. When you place your hands on the earth, you touch the same body that the ancient touched. The same pulse beats beneath your feet. In that moment, Fa and Ur are no longer symbols, they are presence. The runes were never meant to live only in books and ideas. They were carved into the world itself, into the rivers, the rocks, the flight of the ravens, and the turning of the stars. To walk along these forces is to step into the original rune temple, the temple of nature. If you practice rune meditation, do it outside when you can. Let the rune posture form under open sky. Let the wind move through your breath. Let the sun or the moon remind you that your body too is part of the same living pattern. There is power in reading about the runes. But there's truth in feeling them. Out here, the runes don't need translation. They reveal themselves. So, take time for solitude, make it a ritual. Step beyond the noise, beyond duty, beyond the shoots. Find a place where the world is enough and listen. Because every rustling leaf, every crack of thunder, every flicker of flame, a drop of rain, is a rune speaking your name.